going on the market soon. So I thought I'd feature a preview of what's to come, and anyone who might be interested would love to help in the purchase process. Alright, let's see here in the background. Look at that view. Just to get a grasp of the view in here, the Hawaii Canal. So yes, looking east, this is the Hawaii Golf Course, the Hawaii Canal. Moving this way, it's the Marshall Diamond, the State Monument, and of course, Emerald Blue Pacific, Waikiki Beach. And looking straight down, you can see the amenities deck, the swimming pool, they have a jacuzzi there too. There's also a fitness center. This block here is where lots of eateries, and International Marketplace is right where I'm pointing at. So let's take a look inside. Just kind of around. It's set up as a king size bed, but it's a conversion where you can have two twins. And there's the wardrobe. Cabinetry. It comes furnished. This is one of the nice finishes you'll find. We have a 2-burner glass stovetop, large sink, well crafted, open floor plan for a studio. Cabinetry is shipped over by IKEA. A large flat screen smart TV. Cabinetry, you can see well stocked. What else do we have here? Alright, time for two.